हे गाइस, हमारे चैनल से जुड़े रहने के लिए लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें और घंटे पे दबाना ना भूलें। Welcome guys. Today we are going to see how you can recover your data from your disk without getting any problems. And I ensure you guys this is a 100% working recovery. No clickbait. This is going to be very easy for you to. There is a software called Disk Drill. All you need to do is install it in Drive. Now we are going to open it. Now installing. Since the setup is progressing, we are going to talk about what is this disk drill is and how and what benefit does it give to you. This disk drill is a full version and it will definitely going to give you a very great option in recovering, like you can recover any external devices, internal as well as you are not going to get any problem in it. No limitation is required here as long as you need to recover your file. Like there is no limitation in this size here, so I'm going to tell you guys this is the best software where you can recover it. So as you can see, the installation is done, but don't yet launch it. Okay, so close it from here. Now go to crack and choose the 64-bit. Now select both file. Now copy those and go to my computer, C drive, and in program files you will see a clever files and disk drill. All you got to do is paste it here and replace both the item which we have copied from that folder. So as this is done, now simply click the application file and simply skip this version. You don't need to install any updates. Okay, now it's been started. Okay, now you can do more things in it, like you can protect your disk from getting temporary deletion or anything like that. It can also provide you data protection, data backup. So what we need here is how to data recovery, right? So if you want to select personal drive like D drive especially, simply click on it or click on this will in a whole hard disk it will search. So I need to find some movies in it, right? So I'm going to select D drive and then search for lost data. This is going to take time because there are more data which has been lost in the previous data. So but in a meanwhile, while it is searching for it, you can review found items. Okay, so go to all files or you can simply select here like D drive folders and see guys, these are the files I have deleted. These are the movies I have deleted in the past few weeks, and you must and I must ensure you that these all can be restored back. However, you can choose whatever you want to. You can either choose 36 GB of the file you wanted to recover. You can select single file to recover. But before recovering it, you need to stop scanning which has been which has been recovered. Okay, so I have selected one of the file here. This one I want to select, so I'm just clicking on recover, and I'm going to set it in desktop. Okay, so click OK. Now as you can see, the recovery is in progress and some data has been recovered. This may take time depending on your size, what you are recovering it. So sit tight and let it recover it. Now it says your data recovery completed. So return to disk list. Either you can go to disk list or search for lost data. Okay, so I'm going to close it and then going to see and going to desktop and see the found files, D drive, and this file, and see its property. See guys, 1.21 GB, it's 100% working. If you liked my video, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more new updates, and do support us by clicking the like button and share to all of your friends. Thank you guys.